Hello everyone, welcome back to ClosKitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be making some spicy lentil soup. So let's check out the ingredients. I have 1 pack of Goya lentils, but you can use any lentils of your choice. I have a Cajun style smoked sausage by Hillshire farm, and you can use any sausage of your choice. Next I have 1 yellow onion, some paprika, 1 pack of Goya Sazon, some extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have some fresh green bell peppers from my garden. You can use any bell pepper of your choice. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, some homemade red pepper flakes, some green onions, some Progresso spicy chicken broth, but you could use the regular chicken broth, and lastly some seasoned salt. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my vegetables. I'm starting off with my onion, then I'm finally chopping my green onions. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you cook with green onions. So I'm going to finish chopping these up and set them aside. And I've also added half of a bell pepper finely chopped. Now that my vegetables are prepped, I can move on to the next step. So I have rinsed and pre-soaked my lentils overnight. I am adding my lentils to a large pot. I'm adding some water to cover the lentils. Next, I'm adding my chopped piece of onion. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of the extra virgin oil. I'm adding my chopped green onions. I'm adding about 2 cups of that spicy broth. I mixed it with water because I don't want it to be so spicy that I can't taste the flavors. I'm cooking it on medium heat until my lentils are soft. This is optional, but I'm adding half a pack of Sazon. I'm lightly sprinkling some onion powder as well as some garlic powder. I'm adding a pinch of red pepper flakes. I'm lightly sprinkling about a 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Whilst my lentils are simmering, I'm going to cut my sausage into small pieces, and you can cut it any size of your choice. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried Hillshire Farm Cajun sausage. So I'm slicing the sausage, then I'm splitting them in half. So we are almost done. I'm adding in the pieces of sausage and I'm going to let it simmer for less than a minute, just enough to warm up the sausage and allow the lentils to absorb the flavors from the sausage. So of course we have to do the taste test. Ooh child, it's spicy. If only y'all could smell it. Man, it smells so good. So time to eat. Let's eat, y'all. It came out so good, y'all. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.